Hello and welcome. It's Leanne James here from Lotus Energies. I'm super excited because I have another workshop, the Emotional Empowerment Workshop, which is going to be held very, very soon. Now, it's for those people who have difficulty with the struggle of emotions. That might be for yourself or for someone in your family. But if that someone in your family doesn't come, it could be for you to understand you in relation to the emotions. Now, emotions are meant to be. They're part of our human existence. And there's some good, happy emotions that bring us pleasure and joy. And there's also emotions that don't feel so comfortable and can get in the way, seriously get in the way of other parts of our lives, like a career or work environment or relationships, or just confidence. So if you were interested in making some huge transitions to getting some actual tools, working through some simple processes that will help you understand how to better manage and understand emotions, what the wisdoms are, why it's communicating, why emotions are in our life in the first place, then this is a workshop for you. It's a 2.5-hour workshop. There'll be a small Q&A section at the end. Now, it's for the people who really want to make some change in their lives and really want to understand and improve and up level. You've got a divine reason for being here. It's also for those people who want to understand and help those people around them as well. It's for youth upwards. There are youth ticket prices. There's early bird ticket prices as well if you happen to be getting this before the cutoff for that. It is for anybody who really wants transition. So I invite you to click the link to understand more about the workshop process itself, get your tickets, share it with your friends if you would like to, and reach out and ask more questions if you feel the need. It's Leanne James here. Hope to see you at the Emotional Empowerment Workshop, which is coming up super cool, super soon. And love to see you then. Chat soon.